Hello, I'm James from Red Cage, and today I want to show you another quick tip and trick, and this time it's for contact sets. Now, for this I have a wonderful example. It is an air hockey table. Alright, so to start with, I'm already in an assembly here. I'm just going to go and place in my wonderful parts. So I already pre-built these. So there's a little paddle, there's a puck, and then we have the actual table itself. All right, so I'm going to put all three of those into my file. Okay. And I will go in here and make sure that everything is secured nicely. So I'm going to go to my iProperties, set the occurrence values. Now, by the way, you could also do this another way. So in case you're wondering, another tip for this, instead of coming into here and setting these to 0 and then grounding it, you could also go into productivity and you could use something called ground and root. Okay? So that's just something that you can use to keep that in mind. All right, so I have my table now secured. And I just need a couple of constraints in here just to make sure that the stuff doesn't go flying all over the place. I do need to have it somewhat secured to the bottom of the table here. So I'm going to pick a face here, pick the top over here. I'm going to do the same thing for the bottom with the actual paddle there. We'll put it somewhere over here. Well, that's great. And now that I have that set, I can go in and I can put a contact set on them. So I'm going to select all of the objects. I'm going to right-click, and I'm going to add them to a contact set. Okay, so right down here, contact set. So they get that little magnet symbol beside them, which indicates that they are going to be part of that set. Now, you could have multiple different sets of them, and what ends up happening is it just treats them all the same. It just goes and tries to interact with them. Now, it's still not ready because if I try to move stuff around, it is going to allow it to go through. So we still have one more step in order to make this work, which is to actually turn on the contact solver. So in Inspect, and you look for interference, activate contact solver. The second I turn this on, now it actually detects the edges. And what it allows me to do is to do some fun stuff. So I can kind of go and I can hit this wonderful little puck. I can knock it around, have some fun with it. And if we go and do this nicely, oh, look at that. I have a goal. Nice. All right. And that's pretty much it for it. That's all you have to do. Just go in there, insert your parts, make sure you put on some basic constraints to hold it in place. Make sure you turn on your contact set, and then turn on the contact solver, and there you go. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and look out for my next videos that'll come a little bit later. All right, take care. Bye.